Today we're diving deep into the topic, signs of wealth. Your money is coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe because this is a discussion you don't want to miss out on. Recognizing signs of a financial breakthrough is incredibly important. It's like knowing when the tide's about to turn, giving you the upper hand in navigating your financial journey. So, where do we begin? We start with the most powerful tool at our disposal, our mindset. A positive shift in mindset is often the first sign of financial success, but what does this really mean? It's about seeing the world through the lens of opportunity rather than scarcity. It's about believing in the potential of your dreams and acknowledging that yes, you are worthy of wealth. Think about it. How can you expect to achieve financial success if you're constantly doubting your abilities or downplaying your worth? The road to wealth begins with the belief that you can and will succeed. This change in mindset isn't an overnight process. It's a gradual shift that happens as you start to see yourself as the architect of your own financial destiny. So, how can you tell if your mindset is shifting in the right direction? Look for signs of increased self-confidence. Maybe you're starting to take more risks, or perhaps you're beginning to push back against self-doubt. These are all signs that you're readying yourself for a financial breakthrough. But remember, confidence isn't just about feeling good about yourself. It's about having the conviction to pursue your financial goals, no matter the challenges that may come your way. And the best part? As your confidence grows, so too does your ability to attract wealth. Lastly, it's crucial to remember that financial success isn't just about making money. It's about aligning your financial goals with your daily actions. This means making conscious decisions every day that bring you closer to your wealth goals. Remember, a prosperous journey begins in the mind. A positive mindset can indeed pave the way to wealth. How, you ask? Well, let's dive into this fascinating journey. When we alter our mindset, we start viewing the world from a different perspective. We see opportunities where we once saw obstacles. This shift in thinking, my friends, is often a sign of an imminent financial breakthrough. Take self-confidence, for example. When we believe in our capabilities, we are more likely to take calculated risks, push boundaries, and step out of our comfort zones. All these actions are stepping stones on the path to financial success. Imagine a self-assured individual unafraid of challenges, undeterred by failures. This person is more likely to seize opportunities and turn them into profitable ventures. And this, dear listeners, is how an increase in self-confidence can be a direct indicator of impending financial success. Stay positive, stay confident, your money is on its way. Confidence is key in the pursuit of wealth. It's a simple statement, but one that holds a wealth of truth. Confidence is the spark that ignites the flame of ambition, the fuel that powers the engine of prosperity. But how can we boost our confidence levels, particularly when it comes to our financial goals? Firstly, it's crucial to understand that confidence is not something that's gained overnight. It's a journey, a process of self-discovery and self-improvement. Start by acknowledging your strengths and celebrating your achievements, no matter how small. These positive affirmations will help to build a solid foundation of self-belief. Next, set challenging but achievable financial goals. These goals should stretch you, but not to the point of breaking. They should inspire you, not intimidate you. Remember, a goal is just a dream with a deadline. It's not a prison sentence. It's a roadmap to your desired destination. Once you've set your goals, align them with your daily actions. Every decision you make, every action you take, should be in service of your goals. This doesn't mean you should be single-minded or obsessive. It simply means you should be mindful of your decisions and their potential impact on your goals. For example, if one of your goals is to save for a dream vacation, think twice before splurging on that expensive latte or designer handbag. Ask yourself, is this purchase moving me closer to my goal or pushing me further away? The answer to this question will help you make more informed, confident financial decisions. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Seek advice from trusted professionals, mentors, or friends who have achieved financial success. Learning from their experiences and insights can be incredibly enlightening and empowering. It can help you avoid common pitfalls, make smarter decisions, and ultimately boost your confidence in your ability to achieve financial success. Remember, your confidence is not just about feeling good about yourself. It's about believing in your ability to achieve your financial goals. It's about trusting yourself, taking calculated risks, and making informed decisions. It's about having the courage to dream big, the resilience to overcome obstacles, and the determination to make those dreams a reality. Your confidence is your currency. Use it wisely. Your actions should reflect your financial goals. This is a crucial piece of the wealth-building puzzle. You see, it's not enough to simply have lofty aspirations. There needs to be a clear connection between what you desire financially and what you do daily. Let's take a look at how you can assess and adjust your goals to match your actions. Begin by identifying your financial aspirations. Are you aiming for a comfortable retirement, a luxury home, or perhaps the freedom to travel the world? Now, evaluate your everyday actions. Are they leading you towards your goals, or are they pulling you away? Once you've done this, it's time to align. Adjust your actions so they're moving you in the direction of your dreams. This might mean cutting unnecessary expenses, investing wisely, or seeking new income streams. It's about making conscious decisions each day that bring you a step closer to your financial goals. When your goals and actions are in harmony, you are on the path to wealth. Your relationships can be a reflection of your financial future. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, it's true. The people we surround ourselves with, the relationships we nurture, can be a significant predictor of our financial success. This isn't about using people or choosing friends based on their bank balances. No, it's about the energy, attitudes, and habits that are prevalent within your personal and professional circles. Now, let's drill down into this. Imagine you're in a boat, rowing against the current. It's hard, isn't it? That's what it's like when your relationships don't support your financial goals. You're exerting so much energy just to stay in one place. But when you're surrounded by people who also value financial success, who understand the importance of smart money habits, it's like rowing downstream. You're all moving in the same direction, and it becomes easier to reach your destination. So, how do you ensure your relationships are conducive to financial success? It starts with communication. Open up about your financial goals, your plans, your struggles. You may find that your friends, family, or colleagues are on the same journey, and you can support each other. Another key aspect is learning. If your relationships are with people who are financially literate, who are constantly seeking to improve their own financial situation, you'll naturally pick up their habits, their knowledge. It becomes a cycle of mutual growth. But what about professional relationships? Networking, mentorships, partnerships, these all play a crucial role in financial success. The right professional connections can open doors to opportunities, provide valuable advice, and enhance your understanding of the financial world. Remember, relationships are a two-way street. As much as the right relationships can boost your financial success, you can do the same for others. Share your knowledge, your experiences, be a positive influence. So, look around you, at your relationships. Are they reflecting the financial future you desire? If not, it's time to make some changes. Start conversations, seek knowledge, be a positive influence. Nurture your relationships. They may be the key to your financial success. Knowledge is wealth, especially when it comes to finances. Let's talk about financial literacy. It's like a compass, guiding us through the complex world of money matters. It equips us with the knowledge to make informed decisions about our financial resources, our savings, investments, and even our spending habits. Financial literacy is not just about understanding numbers, it's about understanding the principles of money management. It's about recognizing the difference between an asset and a liability, understanding the power of compound interest, or knowing the importance of diversifying your investments. It's about making your money work for you, rather than you working for your money. A surge in financial literacy can often be a sign of an impending financial breakthrough. Why? Because when you increase your understanding of financial matters, you're better equipped to spot opportunities, manage risks, and make wise financial decisions. You become more confident in navigating the financial landscape, and that confidence can lead to success. The journey to financial success often starts with a single step: educating yourself about money matters. There are countless resources available for those seeking to increase their financial knowledge. Books, online courses, podcasts, seminars, the list goes on. The key is to find a resource that resonates with you and commit to learning. Remember, financial literacy is a continuous journey, not a destination. The financial landscape is constantly shifting, and the most successful individuals are those who stay informed and adapt to changes. They understand that financial literacy is not a one-time achievement but a lifelong commitment. So how can you tell if your financial literacy is leading to a breakthrough? Look for signs of increased confidence in your financial decisions, a better understanding of financial concepts, and a growing ability to manage and grow your wealth. These are all indicators that your financial literacy is paying off and that success might be just around the corner. Stay informed, stay wealthy. Because when it comes to building wealth, knowledge really is power.